Hi everyone, welcome to episode 8 of Legal Tuesdays, our series looking at key legal issues arising in the film and television industries. So in today's episode, which you'll be glad to hear is slightly shorter than our previous ones, we'll be talking about the importance of having in place appropriate insurance for your project. Now do please stay with me on this, because having appropriate insurance in place for your project is absolutely essential. Now, even if you're not looking to purchase insurance until production starts, you should really be thinking about issues that will be relevant to that process, really from the earliest stages of your project. Now, film or production insurance will provide a range of covers, including covers for claims by third parties against the filmmaker, for example, arising from allegations of copyright infringement, plagiarism, idea or story theft, or indeed defamation or invasion of privacy, and so on. Now, hopefully, of course, you'll never need to call on the insurance coverage that you have in place, but unfortunately, things do go wrong in the entertainment industry, at least as much, if not more so, than in any other industry, particularly as we're dealing here with creations, with ideas, with content. Unfortunately, even the most cautious filmmaker who has always observed best practice and has in place all of the appropriate contracts, licenses and releases, all of which we've discussed in earlier sessions, may still face a lawsuit from a disgruntled third party, really through no fault of their own. This can and does happen, and if it does, having in place appropriate insurance to meet the costs of having to meet these actions is really quite fundamental. So most policies will cover innocent or negligent acts. So for example, if a filmmaker has inadvertently used copyrighted material and then faces an infringement suit, but will not cover deliberate act. Now, we've talked in previous sessions about financing and distribution deals. Getting those deals in place will commonly require insurance to be in place. This is because financiers and distributors will not want to face potential costs of having to meet unexpected lawsuits. So they will expect and indeed require insurance to be in place for the project. And in order to get the insurance in place, you will need to be able to show good chain of title to all of the content used in your project. And again, we covered that in a previous session. This world can be quite daunting, but there are specialist film and television insurance brokers who will be able to guide you towards the sorts of products that your project will require. So you should seek out and speak to the appropriate people at an early stage in your project. And that's it for today, so thank you very much for joining us. Please do tune in next time when we'll try to address your specific questions that have been raised as Legal Tuesdays has progressed. Thank you very much and see you then.